Hi everybody, welcome to the video. Today I'll start my speaking lesson. This lesson for beginners. In this video, I'll give you a short story with audio. By watching this video, you can improve your listening and speaking skills. And do not forget to learn by heart new words. Guys, you have to remember, without learning new words, you can improve your speaking skills. Do everything on time, guys, and try to be punctual. Guys, are you ready? Let's go.
It was 2 weeks before Christmas, and Mrs. Smith was very busy. She bought a lot of Christmas cards to send to her friends and to her husband's friends, and put them on the table in the living room. Then, when her husband came home from work, she said to him, "Here are the Christmas cards for our friends, and here are some stamps, a pen, and our book of addresses. Will you please write the cards while I am cooking the dinner?" Mr. Smith didn't say anything, but walked out of the living room and went to his study. Mrs. Smith was very angry with him, but didn't say anything either. Then, a minute later, he came back with a box full of Christmas cards. All of them had addresses and stamps on them. "These are from last year," he said. "I forgot to post them."